Hi guys! Welcome to Gracious GM Vlog. For today's video, si Joreb ang kasama natin. Tatanungin ko siya, Joreb, ano ba yung gumagapang sa aso?
Garapata.
Sa ulo ng tao.
Puto.
Sa kabayo.
Garapata rin. What? Garapata rin. Garapata rin.
Mali. Guys, alam niyo ba yung sagot? Kung gusto niyo malaman ang sagot guys, tapusin po ninyo ang video nito. Pero sa ngayon, mag-deliver po muna kami ng Ease2 Pro Mobility Scooter sa Amadeo, Cavite. Kaya guys, samahan niyo kami.
Can you imagine how convenient it could be? Introducing the new Ingwe Ease2 Pro, your perfect daily travel companion. In just a few simple steps, unfold, insert the key, adjust the speed, and gently pull the throttle. You're ready to ride. Powered by a removable, high-capacity lithium battery, the Ease2 Pro is built for durability and safety. It effortlessly handles slopes up to 12 degrees while maintaining your preferred speed. From bumpy grass to uneven stone paths, this scooter ensures a smooth ride every time. And when it's time to go downhill, it provides safe, controlled descent for peace of mind. More than just transportation, the Ease2 Pro is your go-to for shopping trips, walking the dog, or grabbing coffee with friends. It's always by your side. Learn more at ingwe-bikes.com and ride with us.
So yun na nga guys, nandito na po kami sa Amadeo, Cavite. Ibababa na po namin ng scooter. Ayan, hinahatid si Joreb oh. Pinuhat niya na.
Wow.
So yun guys, tapos na po kami mag-deliver sa Amadeo Rizal. Ito po yung ano, palabas na po yung sakyan namin. Joreb, tatanungin po ulit natin yan. Joreb, alam mo na ba ang sagot sa tanong na kung ano ang gumagapang sa kabayo?
Garapata, puto. Garapatol.
Mali. Ang tamang sagot ay plancha. Okay guys, alam nyo na yung sagot guys ha. Thank you for watching. Follow, like, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog.